This is Sarvanas with your B2B Cambodia Market update for April 24, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 1.65 points, or 0.4%, to 407.83. Total trade volume was down to 49,019 shares with a total value of 287 million real, or over $71,400. On the main board, only one stock was up and four were down. Royal Group Phnom Penh SCZ gained 0.47% or 10 reals to 2,130 reals per share. On the downside, CamJSM was the biggest loser of the day, dropping 0.83% or 20 reals to 2,400 reals per share, followed by Pastec Cambodia, dropping 0.39% or 10 reals to 2,580 reals per share. Other stocks were also down, including Sihanoukville Autonomous Port and Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority. Meanwhile, four other stocks on the main board remained flat. On the growth board, JSLand was down 0.32% or 10 reals to 3,150 reals per share, while DBD Engineering remained flat at 2,100 reals per share. Grand Twins International recorded the highest trade volume of the day, with 19,345 shares changing hands at a total value of 136 million real, or $33,900, approximately 39% of Thursday's trade volume. Akleda Bank recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 13,709 shares changing hands at a total value of 96.5 million real, or over $24,000, about 27.9% of the total trade volume of April 24. In the other market news, Akleda Bank plc is notifying investors and the public that the coupon payments for the subordinated bonds issued on January 23, 2025 will be transferred to investors' account from April 23, 2025 to April 24, 2025 through the paying agents of Akleda Bank. The interest to be paid amounts to over $1.7 million. It's worth noting that the Akleda Bank has successfully listed $100 million subordinated bonds in early 2025 on the Cambodia Securities Exchange. Moving on to the exchange rate. The Khmer Real to US dollar was stable at 4,003 reals per US dollar, while the US index was up 99.33. Oil prices recovered some losses on Thursday after falling nearly 2% in the previous session, with investors weighing a potential OPEC output increase against conflict tariff signals from the White House and ongoing US-Iran nuclear talks. Brent crude futures were up 53 cents or 0.8% to $66.65 a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude was up 55 cents or 0.88% to $62.82 a barrel. Gold prices rebounded on Thursday as investors bought bullion following a sharp decline in the previous session, while focus still remains on US-China trade tensions. Spot gold was up 1.6% to $3,340.79 an ounce. Bullion lost over 3% on Wednesday in its worst daily performance since late November. US gold futures gained 1.8% to $3,352.10. S&P 500 futures slipped early Thursday after a major averages posted a second straight winning day. At the time of Cambodia's market closing, S&P 500 were down 0.35%, while Nasdaq 100 futures traded 0.44% lower. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures lost 260 points or 0.66%. This was Sarvanas with your B2B Cambodia Market update for April 24, 2025.